Because that's like almost like 67.2, and of course it's hot. Kailangan natin ng shower in here, and of course we gotta go inside. And I feel better. Nawawala yung sakit ng aking kalamnan. So shower ka, just medyo maaga-aga pa, medyo masakit-sakit ang aking katawan. Masakit ang aking kalamnan. Kasi ang inyong likod is nagbenta ng habits. Now I'm only joking. Bago lang sa aking channel, subscribe, leave comment down below. So today, let's go to the sauna. Sauna in here in Korea. In Japan, they call that oporo. Yes, meron silang mga jacuzzi, and of course cold and steam bath. Tamang-tama sa masasakit nating katawan. Kung sa kabilang isang OFW, mabuhay po kayo lahat. Tamang-tama ngayon, maganda-ganda ang panahon. Hindi ganong kainitan, and of course, it's not too cold. Is all we do, we go in there. Yes, at natin mga travel cards all over the world sa mga superhero. Yeah, talaga. Tara, masakit ang aking katawan. Masakit-sakit talaga ang aking mga kasuhan. Iba lang kasi ang tumatanda. No, just only believe age is only just a number. Tara, dito tayo. I think I open, and I went here many times sa sauna. Yes, punta tayo dito. What's going on? And of course, itutur ko kayo sa loob. Yes, pag wala tayong sauna, kunan na tayo ng batya. Inaibilid natin, tama sa Pilipinas is summers. So, tara dito sa loob ng sauna.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you put
we are in here. So pasok na tayo sa loob. I think they open, and because mag-stay lang po tayo ng 1 hour kasi i-steam ko lang yung aking katawan. Medyo nasaktan. No, I'm only joking. Kasi because sometimes if I have a body pain, talagang pupunta all day to sa sauna. Maganda rin yung sa aking katawan. 네, 안녕하세요. Di 감사합니다. So, kaya tayo mga travel cards. And sa itong picture, malinis din naman. This one is old. But, kailangan natin magpaano ng katawan muna. Mainit-init. Yes, so mga travel cards, we are in here. Ito, and of course, I would like to change the clothes. And of course, we are inside na. And of course, bago ako, mag-take out muna ako ng content. And also, para malinis-linis. And it was right now, and I wanna go in the Oppo. They call this like steam. No, they call this hot bath. Yes, para siyang like the hot bath, like a swimming pool. It's really good, and you really feel better. And you can feel the love tonight. Tamang-tama sa panahon ito, malamig-lamig. And of course, and I got a pain to my left shoulder. Hindi ko alam kasi tigwang na ako. No, I'm only joking. And the Philippines one is in Japan, they call this opuro. And of course, steam bath naman sa English. And if right in here in Korea, they call it chilbang and or men's sauna. It's really good. Sa bahay, pwede na yan. You have hot water, or in the Philippines, pag mainit ang panahon, yes, maglagay lang tayo ng batya, yun na, pwede tayo maglublob, or like in the dagat, or like in the pool. Pag wala naman, batya, or like in the tabo, pwede na tayong maligo. It is really good, tamang-tama ito sa tigwa na kamukha ko. Now I'm all joking. Age is only just a number. And this one is a lot of benefits sa skin, and of course, sa body health. And of course, if you are body conscious, and of course, you want to really release the fat, mostly they go in the sauna para pawisan. At especially like in the winter. Yes, nagmalka na saksan ka, hindi problema yan. Halika, sauna tayo. Yes, para gumanda-ganda naman ang ating pakiramdam. At tamang-tama ito sa pagod na kamukha ko. Yes, pagod ang puso ko, pagod ang isipan ko, pagod ako sa lahat. No, I'm only joking. We always strong. And of course, we need to do effort at pwede tayong mag-invest and we do like invest ating katawan. Immune system, vitamin, and of course, exercise. And of course, hindi natin rin pwedeng pabayaan ang ating katawan kasi ito ang ating puhunan, ang ating kayamanan, ang ating kasipagan. And I thank you. What's up guys? So I feel better, so that's why I came down in here because my left shoulder too hurt. So maybe so like the oppo, and then this one is a little bit more hot. So let's go sa kabilang bayo. And they have a shower in here too, and like yes, pwede ka mag-shower in there. This is the sauna in here. So we're gonna take a look in this one. This one is a swimming pool. The swimming pool is really good, and that's what is so cold. And this one is namiss ko ito, parang yung oppo sa Japan. And then this one, and then hindi siya gano'ng kainitan, hindi siya gano'ng kalamigan on this side. So we can do is pwede tayong mag-demote, and then we can show up, pwede ako makipag-dagat at makipag-dagat. It's really good, and then this one is, and then I can smell the meat. Yes, it's really good. It's hot. Kasi hindi na ako pinapawisan. So that's why I came down in here to para pawisan lang po. And then I'm going to the inside, almost like 100 degrees Celsius. It's almost too much hot. Before ang aking phone, hindi umubra talaga. So this one, so mag-inuuna ako. Magbabag muna ako ng konti. So it's really good. This one, and imagine that it's almost like this one is almost like a decade na. Even although before, ginagawa talaga ito ng ating mga Korean, mga Japanese, para ma-relax sila. So mga Japanese, yes, sauna right here in Korea. Relaxing here mga Japanese right in there. And of course, this one is inside. No, not 100 degrees, so it's almost like 69.6 Celsius. So we go inside, and I think it's too hot. Hindi kakayanin ng ating phone. So let's wait and let's find out how can we feel. Oh my god, that's one almost like 67.2, and of course it's hot. Kailangan natin ng shower in here, and of course we're gonna go inside, and I feel better. Nawawala yung sakit ng aking kalamnan. So let's go back. We go on the pool. This one yung kanilang pool. In here it's a cold, so kailangan natin iluluwa ang ating ito. We need to be careful. Baka tayo ay may sleeping or ang ating phone isang alaga. So right in here, I'm gonna stay like in here maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and of course back na naman ako sa loob. Yes, para mawala yung sakit ng ating mga katawan. It's really, this pool, it was so clean, it was so green, diba? And of course, you feel the love tonight. And of course, eto, medyo mamula-mula na ang ating balat. So balik tayo sa loob. This is the view inside of the like 6-7 degrees Celsius right in here, and of course it's super talaga na super hot. So just all we do is that's it, and of course meron sila mga main, and of course I think under that's the charcoal. So kailangan natin ilabas ang ating camera so kasi nabablurred na siya. So we can lay down in there. So that's why in here kaya naman natin mag-lay down in here. Well, it's really good. It's really like very relaxing. And it was the whole like you paid for the left arm. So that's why thank you Lord, and I feel better. Sana mawala na lahat ng sakit ng katawan ko. It's alright. Mga Jabber guys, it's really like it's really feel better, and it helped a lot because especially sa ating body pain o meron kang hangover. Alright, maraming salamat. This is the Korean sauna right here in Korea. Please subscribe my channel, leave a comment down below. I love you, follow. Stay din ako ng 1 hour. So I feel better. Nawala yung sakit ng aking katawan. So this is the sauna in here. Like this one is like the oldest style. Just go with you. I gotta go home, eat, and relax. So I feel better. Thank you, Bob.